Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make PIBBV virus. This is a virus that I've invented. This virus will basically severely slow down your computer until it paralyzes your operating system. Um, and TIBBV virus is the same virus, but if you restart your computer, the effects are going to be gone. So anyway, in order to make this virus, you need Notepad, and you also need WinRAR. You can download WinRAR from the description. Not from the description, basically from Google. I'm not going to put any link in the description because I'm sure people will not trust my links since the video is already about viruses. They're gonna think that I want to infect their computers. Most people will know that this is really WinRAR, but if someone really has no idea about what WinRAR is, they might be skeptical. So I'm not gonna provide any link in the description. You go search it for yourselves. You go search it yourselves, basically. So yeah. Okay, so let's open Notepad. Notepad is in all computers. You don't need to download it, so you can search here and you're gonna find it. However, I have it on my desktop, so let me open it. Okay, so right now, the virus consists of two files: a batch file. Actually, the recording lagged a little bit. Okay, again, I was saying that the virus consists of two files: a batch file and a Visual Basic Script file. Now I'm gonna start with the Visual Basic Script file. Okay, so you need to open a new notepad, and then you should go ahead and start typing the code that I'm going to type right now. Okay, so after you open the notepad, type this following code exactly and precisely. Basically, I pasted this little long statement here. I already copied it before the video because it's time consuming to keep typing this stuff. So basically, you want to type C colon /users /% username %, and then you want to continue typing until this 9. Okay, then after the 9, you want to type another /, and then you want to type water.bat. water.bat, and then you want to close the quotation mark that we've already opened here. So if you actually you're gonna find strugs equals quotation mark and then this. Okay, you should close it at the end. Okay, now I'm gonna continue typing the code. Please type exactly like what I typed. Okay, so after you've typed this, shell.run strugs, 0, false, you want to just save your file as fire.vbs. But before doing that, you want to make sure you check on all files, click on desktop, and then you want to save it as fire.vbs. Fire.vbs like this, okay? Alright. Then you want to click save. Okay. Let me revise the code to make sure I did not make any mistake. Set shell equals create object create w. Okay, perfect. So after you've saved it, you should close it, and you should find it on your desktop over here. Okay, if you opened it, nothing's gonna happen. Look, it's gonna load, and nothing's gonna happen. And even you're not gonna find it, nothing's gonna happen because the virus is still incomplete. Nothing is basically gonna happen. Okay, we still need to make the other we need to make the other batch file, because I told you there are two files. Not that only, we still need a third step that involves WinRAR. That's why I want you to install it. So anyway, let's make the batch file. You want to open another notepad and then type in the following code exactly and precisely. Now, in some parts of the code, you're gonna find me going to the file explorer and then copying stuff and pasting them. You should do exactly like what I do. Okay, pretty good. Okay, so yeah, type exactly like what I do. Okay, I'm gonna just check something here. I want to make sure I did not make any mistake. Okay, pretty good. Okay, now for this next part, you want to, of course, you must have made two quotation marks over here, and then you should make a third quotation mark. Then you want to go to the file explorer. You want to go to the C drive. You want to go to, you want to first go to view. Make sure you check on hidden items. Then you want to go to users. You want to go to your current user, whatever it is. You want to then go to app data. That's going to only be visible if you've already checked on hidden items. Okay. Then you want to go to roaming. Then you want to go to Microsoft, Windows, and then you want to click here, and then you want to copy this statement over here. What's wrong with my mouse? Okay. You want to copy this statement, and then you want to basically paste it, and then you're gonna find the name of your user here. You want to change this name to %username%, like this, %username%, like this. And then at the end you want to close the quotation mark. Never forget this. Next, you want to basically copy from here up to the copy from the third quotation mark, that's the beginning of the second statement, up to the copy basically. And then you want to go to the very end and press enter, and then paste this statement. And then you want to go to the file explorer, and then you want to go one step further to the start menu, and then you want to copy it. And then you want to paste it over here. Wait a sec, I need a tissue. Alright, so I'm back. So after pasting the second statement, you want to make sure you put the quotation mark. Then you want to press enter and copy again from the third quotation mark up to the copy word, and basically you want to paste it. Then you want to go one step further in the file explorer to programs. Then you want to do the exact same thing. Oh my god, I forgot to change my name in these two statements, so let me go ahead and do that. %username%. This is very, very important. Okay, so you want to press enter. Basically you want to copy from the third quotation to the copy statement, and then you want to paste, Control V, like this. And then we want to go one last step further to the startup folder, and then we want to copy this as well. and then we want to paste it, and of course change our name to %username%, like so. And of course you want to make sure you close the quotation mark as usual. Okay, I want to make sure that I've also closed the quotation mark in the previous file that was made. Quotation mark, quotation mark. Okay, pretty good. So once you've made all this stuff, you want to press enter, and then you want to press colon A, and then you want to press enter, and then you want to copy from the VBS until the C, the capital C over here, the uppercase C basically, and then you want to type start, and then paste this the thing that you've copied. Okay, now you want to copy this whole statement and paste it 10 times, but start counting from 2. What's wrong? Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you want to copy these 10 statements and paste them 10 times, and you should start counting from 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then you want to copy these 100 statements and basically paste them 10 more times, and of course start counting from 2, so that you have 1,000 of these statements. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then after this, you want to go to the very top and just scroll slowly to make sure that all your statements are the same throughout, because sometimes by mistake you can paste 2 of the same statements in the same line, and you should make sure you didn't do that. Okay, so pretty good. I didn't do any problem in the code or any error in pasting. Okay, so you want to now copy the A. Actually, it's not necessarily necessary, but I do this just in case. Then press enter and type go to, the go to without space, and then you want to press paste and paste the A. Next, you want to go to the previous file that's called fire that we've already made. You want to scroll a little bit to the side like this, and then you want to copy this name that's called water.bat. You want to copy this name, and then you want to save the file as, of course, select all files, select desktop, and then in the file name you want to paste water.bat. Alright, so after you've done, you should see that you're having a file that's called fire.vbs and a file that's called water.bat, and they look a little different. I want to revise the batch to make sure that I've made everything correct. At co off. Okay, copy. Okay. Alright, so yeah, pretty good. Next, this is the final step that involves WinRAR. So you want to basically single click the fire file, then hold down the control key and click the water batch file. Now you want to right click the fire batch file and then go to add to archive. You're gonna find this option only if you have WinRAR installed in your computer. Actually, my laptop is running low, so let me go ahead and plug it in the charger. I'm gonna pause the video until I get the charger. Alright, plugged in. So yeah, let me repeat this step again. So you wanna click on this one, then control key, and then click on this one. Right click, add to archive. If you have WinRAR, you should find this option. Then you want to check on those 2 boxes, go to advanced, go to SFX options. Then you want to click on the water.vbs, then right click it, then go to edit, and you want to copy from the VBS until the uppercase C. You want to copy, and then in the path to extract, in the general tab, you should paste this thing, and then you want to delete the fire.vbs word and delete the last slash after the 9. Actually I want to make sure of something again in the code. Okay, here, okay, and here. Okay, pretty good. So yeah, and then after you paste this thing, you want to go to the setup and then paste the exact same thing, but do not delete anything from this statement this time. Next, you want to go to the advanced, check on request administrative access, and go to text and icon, which is an optional part. Okay, now we're going to type the title of our window, because basically the file, the virus will be like an installation wizard. The user is gonna open it, nothing's gonna happen. It's gonna tell him it's like an installation wizard. Once he clicks the install button, basically his computer is gonna be screwed up. But before that, even if he opened the virus, nothing's gonna happen yet until he clicks install. Okay, so before he clicks install, a window will pop up for the user that's gonna have a title like advanced SFX options and some text. Now here is we're gonna set the title for this window. If we did not write anything, the window might the title of the window will be WinRAR self-extracting archive. But of course this is optional. If you want to change the title of the window, you can just type in whatever you want in these two spaces. Okay, fine, I'm gonna show you what I mean after we finish. Okay, so let's go ahead and type in the title: fire hack for Fortnite. Okay, Fortnite, and then I'm gonna type enjoy the fire hack. Oh, oops, not like that. Okay, so it should look something like this: enjoy the fire hack for Fortnite. Okay, so again, in the general, paste until the 9, setup until the fire.vbs, advanced request administrative access, text and icon is optional basically. Now you want to click OK once, and then OK another time, and then a file should appear. Okay, now you can basically rename this file. I'm gonna say firehack. Guys, I apologize, somebody called me, so I had to pause. Okay, so I said we're gonna rename this thing. Okay, let me rename it to another thing. Firehack for Fortnite. Firehack for Fortnite. Okay, now I'm gonna explain to you what I mean when I say it's like an installation wizard. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video until I open this one, because Bandicam sometimes lags when the administrator permission pops out. Okay, so it looks something like this. This is the title of the window that I'm talking about, and this is the text. Okay, this is another file that I've already made before, but this is a TIBBV, it's not the permanent. Okay, once the user clicks install, his computer is screwed up. Of course I'm not gonna click install since I'm recording a video already. Okay, and the same goes for this thing. Let me actually show you the one that we've already made. Now basically this is the file that we've just made right now: firehack for Fortnite, enjoy the firehack. Once I opened it, it looked something like this. Yeah, basically, and that's permanent. Once you click install, your computer will remain like that, permanently severely lagging and paralyzed. So please do not try this virus on anybody, even yourself. I'm not responsible for any damage that happens to anybody. Okay, now you might be asking how to make the TIBBV. This is just the permanent. The one that we've made is the PIBBV, the permanent. If you want to make the TIBBV, basically, wait a sec. You don't want to type these 4 statements over here. You want to just delete them. And of course, after doing that, you need to repeat the process of the WinRAR, but without the copy command. Of course, I'm not gonna save what I've done. I'm gonna click don't save. But that's the only difference. And by doing that, your virus will be temporary, and it's gonna be removed by restarting. I might later on be making a video on the effect of the TIBBV virus on my computer. But anyway, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and in the comment section below, basically tell me if you have any suggestions that you want me to do later on, such as new videos or stuff like that. And don't worry, the Rubik's Cube video will be completed as soon as possible. So yeah, see you guys next time. Enjoy.